Hello and welcome to using FLIPGRID 101. We're going to start by downloading the app on your smartphone. I'm using an Apple phone, so I'll take you through the step necessary to download it from here. Click on the App Store, type in FLIPGRID, and press download, and that's it. For Android phones, you do the same thing but with the Google Play Store. You would type in FLIPGRID and press download, and that's it. On computers, you don't need to download anything. You just go to flipgrid.com and go in through their easy registration process. Click sign up in the top right corner and use Gmail or Microsoft in order to register yourself. Once you're done, that's it. No more hassles. Easy peasy. The grids that you've created or been invited to will appear here. Let's click on a grid. Inside of it, you'll have topics. Select the topics that you want to be a part of, and you should see all the videos posted by your students. If you click on a video, you can watch it and you can see other students that have replied to it. Let's talk about making videos. You can click the recorded response button, and whether it's your app or your computer, you can start recording yourself. There are all sorts of cool options that allow for video editing and modifying them. You can edit text, you can write on the video, draw on the screen, or one of my favorites are the stickers. Stickers allow you to get really creative. Additionally, they can serve as an option for shy students to cover their face, which some of my students chose and really enjoyed. Alright, almost there. Resize it a little bit, okay, and we're ready to record. Alright guys, see? Making videos is easy, and you can pretty much do it on any device. It's really nice. Our video is live, and we're ready to go. We can also set it to hidden. There are a few actions that you could take, and you will probably get to know me a lot better when you start using the system. There's no need for me to explain each and every one of them at this moment. Some of the most powerful options are the ones that we have as teachers. Let me give you some examples. After you finish watching the video, you can leave feedback for your students in various formats. You can write a comment that I will see on the website or can be emailed to them. You can always assign grades based on ideas and performance. In my experience, the most effective method is leaving them video feedback. Not only can they hear and see you, but it makes the whole process a lot more engaging. The most important part of it is to encourage other students to interact. Ask them to leave videos asking questions or saying something about the other student's video. This makes the process a lot more engaging and keeps the students motivated to keep coming back and learning. You could just as easily run a single classroom or an entire grade on a variety of topics. You could potentially make it an international program as long as you share the same learning goals. FLIPGRID's potential for learning is unlimited. I highly recommend that you try it out yourselves and run a small pilot course to see how it works. Take advantage of FLIPGRID's strongest feature by encouraging your students to interact with one another. Give each of them individual feedback and tap into their motivation by encouraging them to interact with their friends. They will not only learn new things, but they will also have fun doing it.